as you can see, I'm going to go and show you guys how I do my slick flat bun look. My hair is super dry, very dry, and you want to do this look originally on clean hair, but my hair is pretty dirty right now, so I didn't have time to wash it that day, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's very detangled. So as you can see, I am finger detangling my hair. You want to make sure that the hair is super detangled and easy to manage because you want to pull it into a bun. Your hair doesn't have to be long. I'm doing a quick little length check, but it doesn't have to be long, just maybe medium length so that you can pull it into a bun. So once your hair is detangled, you want to go ahead and part your hair down the middle. You can do it on the side. It doesn't have to be in the middle, but I prefer the middle. So that's how I do my hair. Then you want to section it off into 3 sections. So I'm taking the front 2 sections and pulling it into a bun so it can be out of the way as I work on the back of my hair. Then I take a water bottle, it's only got water in it, and I spritz it around my hair. You want to make sure that the hair is damp, not soaked, just damp, and you can pull it back into a nice smooth little ponytail or bun. Then I take my KeraCare foam wrapping lotion and I go ahead and I use that on the back of my hair and the top of that section. So this just allows it to be really smooth, so I can just brush it down and make sure that it is smooth enough to go into a bun. Then I use my Eco Styler. I use the Argan Oil Eco Styler. You can use whichever one or whichever gel you prefer to use, but I prefer the Argan Oil Eco Styler. I've heard the olive oil one works great, the pink one, the yellow one. Every single one works fine, just as long as you have a gel. As you can see, it's smooth in the back, so I am going to go ahead and get ready to put this hair into a bun. My hair looks so crazy, but don't worry, it's gonna look really cute at the end. There's no particular way that I do the bun. I just make sure that it is in a small bun and that the hair at the ends are tucked in. So I go ahead and I'm making this crazy face throughout the whole video, so y'all just ignore me. I don't know why I'm making this face, but I'm making sure that the hair at the front is damp and that the part is straight. I'm not that good at parting, but that's the best I could do, so it doesn't really matter. Now I'm just brushing my hair back, making sure that it is smooth and easy to pull back into a bun. And I use that Eco Styler once again on the front of my hair and on the middle of my hair just to make sure that it is smooth and easy to pull back. So once you get it nice and flat, you want to go ahead and make sure you can pull it all back into that bun. And I just take my brush, make sure it's smooth, make sure it's easy to pull back. And now you can just go ahead and get your scrunchie and wrap that rest of the hair around that bun. Once again, you want to make sure that the ends of the hair are not sticking out of the bun. Once you wrap that around, you take a rubber band. Doesn't have to be clear, but that's just all I had. And I make sure the ends are tucked in and pulled in place with that rubber band. So there you guys have it. You have a nice slick look. And now this part is optional. I like to do my edges. I just pull out my baby hairs and I use this tool that I bought from a local beauty supply store. Nothing crazy. It's only literally about $1.99. And I just use my Eco Styler and make sure that I have my edges a little bit wet with the gel. And now I take my holy grail item, the best edge control you can ever have. It smells so good, and you just use it on your edges. So that edge control is the Mielle Organics edge control. It's the best edge control I have ever had, ever. As you can see, it takes my edges from the scruffs to the smooth look that I am looking for. Once again, this look is optional, but that is just how I prefer to do it. So how I do my edges, I use my little tool to make sure that the edge control is getting onto the edges, but I kind of use my finger afterwards to pretty much make sure that the edges are smooth. That's really my key to getting smooth edges, is using my finger to follow up. So I like mine to be a little bit waved. As you can see, it's kind of like loopy. I don't know how to explain that, but I just pretty much use my finger to pretty much follow the direction of the brush so that my edges can lay the way I want them to lay. That edge control is really the best one that I've ever had, as you can see. And it keeps that look throughout the whole day. So I don't have to worry about my edges poofing up or anything. Literally stays like this the whole day. So now you want to just go ahead and lay your baby hairs, girl. Nice and laid. Wait about maybe, I'd say 10-15 minutes. Listen to some music, admire the Mielle Organics edge control. Do whatever you need to do, honey. But just know that the end results are going to be on point. The results are in, and as you can see, my hair looks nice, pretty, and laid, girl. Yes. So once your edges are laid, you are done, and you are ready to go out, and you are ready to look fabulous, and you are ready to do it and put your all into it. So the look is done, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.